from here. An investor is selling it. I actually got the property through a friend of mine who gave me his friend who is now trying to sell this property as he's working with this investor. So we're gonna go check out a 3-family. Now, I don't know if you guys have been following the prices of homes. Stop right there. Do you know where you're tuned into? If you don't already subscribe, you know the drill. Click, click, boom, boom, subscribe. You know how excited I get, family, when we're off to see a new property. So we are gonna go check out this 3-family, and I'm kind of excited because I've got several clients in the market right now for 3 families, and everybody wants their properties delivered vacant. So I am super excited to go check out this house. Now, I know that the owner is a little bit unrealistic when it comes to pricing, but I feel we can get him back down to reality, hopefully, if I can just get a solid offer in his hands. Sometimes these folks don't know what they want, and getting a solid offer in the hand is better when you're going to negotiate. So, stay tuned. What am I doing back here in all this trash? Analyzing the scene of the mess. Hey John, how are you?
I'm fine. Nice.
Good. Nice to meet you, sir. Don't drop the phone. Let me put my phone in my back pocket.
Can you give me a second? Yeah, no problem. You booked it already? Yeah. You booked it already? Yeah. Okay, so I'll come. Okay.
So this is attached to it. This is the lot for it?
Yeah, this is the lot.
Okay.
This is the lot.
Okay. Oh, windows look new. Hmm? Windows look new.
No, everything is new.
Everything is brand new?
Yeah, because
Thank you.
it had a fire, so they rebuilt.
Oh, the whole thing. Got it.
So the whole thing is being rebuilt.
Got it. Well, at least it's a big parking space, could hold a good amount of cars. Shall we?
Yes, we shall.
So, I guess after we'll take the grand tour, let's talk about this crazy number.
I know. Let me tell you this. Like,
everybody's losing their mind.
the funny thing is, I should have. When he told me 475, I thought I was getting it, right?
Right, like that's the deal. Whoa.
I should have gotten it. If this is crazy, I have one away, right? I'm about to get rid of the motherfucker.
Oh my God. You should allow me to list it. You'll get a bidding war.
Yeah, I think I might do that.
Listen, if I list it for you, you'll get a bidding war.
Yeah.
Everybody, every property that I list,
Yeah.
25, 30 offers.
Wow.
25, 30 offers. So the best thing to do is deliver at least one apartment vacant so that the owner can live there. Because you got all these New Yorkers coming and they want to get out of the city, escape the city. Yep. I don't know about that. A lot of them want to get the mortgages because of the low interest rates. Think about it. Wouldn't you keep your cash?
2.5%?
Huh. Hold on, I'm just looking at the closet. Okay. So what is this, 3 bedrooms, right? 3 bedrooms, 3 baths?
Yeah, I think so.
Nice and bright. Ooh. All right, this is the living room.
See, this guy, he likes dealing with cash.
So he wants cash.
No, not really. I mean,
He want to close quick. That's what it comes down to.
yeah, and then I mean, the way I deal with him, he doesn't use realtors.
Of course, he just does.
Yeah, but I found
All the floors like this. With the third floor is 3 bedrooms, the third floor is 2 bedrooms.
things are simple shit.
Only one way to know.
Last time I saw the property, well, he gave me straight cash, like here's your cash.
Oh wow, wow, wow. He was like, and here's your check, John.
No check, trust me.
Oh, here's cash. Oh, look at that deck.
Yeah, he gave me $13,000 cash.
Wow. Wow. There's a nice little room to go into the deck. Into the porch area.
Oh, that's nice. I didn't see.
See how? Yeah.
Okay. He's doing his thing.
I feel like going back there. We gotta do a couple things to this house. Darling, give me literally 1 minute. I'll call you right back. Okay. This is a mess. Shall we just say a mess? So this whole place has to be cleaned up.